Here's how to start affiliate marketing. I'm going to help you get started. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, keep on watching. I'll give you some tips and tricks and some basic framework on what affiliate marketing is and how to do it and how to get started. This is Crossing Seas. I'm Core Cross, and I want to help you navigate to success. In my description box below, there's going to be a link to my #1 way to make money online, and click on it so I can send you all my secrets of how I make money online. Also, if you need help with writing your blog, I came across this company that really helped me out, that saved me a lot of time, and they write better than I do. So underneath that link, there's gonna be a link that says help with my blog. Click on that link and I'll be able to send you to them. And let's check out the slides. All right, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is defined as the process of earning commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You find a good product or service to promote and earn a percentage of the profit for each sale you make. One of the best ways to promote the product or service you choose is to blog about it. That's why you must choose a product or service that you are passionate about. You will have so many things to say about the chosen product or service when you know about the subject matter or niche. Alright, so how does it work? There are 3 parties involved in affiliate marketing. The merchant, the publisher, and the client are the 3 parties. The merchant is the creator, seller, company, or brand of your chosen product or service. It can be a single individual or a big company like Amazon. The publisher or the affiliate is a person who sells the product or service on the behalf of the merchant. So that's who you're going to be. Single individuals and companies can become affiliates and sell products on behalf of the merchant. Affiliate marketing can produce a couple $100s or millions of dollars in commissions for the publisher each month. The client is the person who makes the affiliate system go around. Without sales, there won't be any revenue to the merchant and commissions to the publisher. The affiliate can meet the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. Some affiliates use content marketing on a blog, while others... The affiliate can meet the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. Some affiliates use content marketing on a blog, while some others may use social media marketing, digital billboards, paid advertisements, and more. The affiliate can meet the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. The affiliate can meet the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. The affiliate can meet the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. Some affiliates use content marketing on a blog, while others may use social media marketing, digital billboards, paid advertisements, and more. The affiliate can meet the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. The affiliate can meet the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. Some affiliates use content marketing on a blog, while some others use social media marketing, digital billboards, paid advertisements, and more. Honestly, when it comes to affiliate marketing, I suggest doing all of those. You might as well just dominate the market. The first thing in starting an affiliate marketing business, decide on the affiliate platform you want to use. The best way for a beginner to start an affiliate website is to blog or to start a YouTube channel. Starting a blog is quite easy. You can use a platform like WordPress to start your blog. And if you need help writing articles, there's going to be a link in my description box. They're an awesome company, totally legit, and they write great articles. There are many online tutorials on how to get started using WordPress. You only have to spend a few dollars a month to host the site and optimize it for the search engines. Search engine optimization is important to rank your blog on the first page of Google to attract highly targeted visitors to the product or service you are promoting. YouTube is the other platform for affiliate marketing. Creating and uploading a video on YouTube is free. So what you do is optimize the video for YouTube and Google and include affiliate links in the description. The next step is to join an affiliate program. Assuming you have already chosen a niche you are passionate about, you should look for an affiliate program that pays a higher commission. You can promote digital products, physical products, and services related to your niche. There are many affiliate programs that let you promote your products and services. For example, ClickFunnels is one of the most popular affiliate networks for ebooks and software systems. Likewise, Amazon is the best place if you want to promote physical products. Creating content. Creating content is a big part of becoming an affiliate. Once you've chosen the affiliate network and product or service to promote, the next step is to create high quality content to attract highly targeted traffic to your website or video. Quality content will help your site rank higher on Google and other search engines. The content you create should pre-sell the affiliate product to your visitors. Once you pre-sell the product or service and direct the visitor to the merchant's website through your affiliate link, the merchant will do the needful to convert the visitor and pay you the commission. Another key point is that you need to drive traffic. One of the most important factors to make an affiliate business a huge success is driving traffic. Great content is one part of driving traffic to affiliate offers. Optimize content for the search engines with search engine optimization, social media marketing, or paid advertisements. So the site will rank on the first page of Google and attract highly targeted traffic to it. Whew. All right. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching. Like, share, comment below. Leave a comment. I would like to hear of what you guys want to hear from next. Like, share, leave a comment below. I want to hear what you guys want. Like, share, comment below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Give me your opinion on the video, what I can improve, what you want to see. Also, in the description box below, there's going to be a link to my #1 way to make money online. If you're interested in building your own blog, but you have no idea how to write an article, I know a company that will really help you out. If you're interested, click on I need help with blog.